actually, this blue hose here, it's connected to a, has a 1/4 inch NPT that goes into this DIS fitting, or Dynameter Index Safety System fitting. And then the blue hose goes to all the way over here to this air compressor here. This compressor isn't running at the moment, but then this has a green hose connected to it here. It goes into the tank, and then comes from this PM Easy Air 15, which is a 50 PSI compressor. That's how this homemade setup works. I would have gotten a legitimate air compressor, but when I bought one, my parents stole it, saying it would be dangerous. So I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna make my own system. So here, if I turn down the FiO2, or fraction-inspired oxygen, the compressor will kick in. So let's turn that back up. I do have training to intubate, so that's how I have an airway head here.